Once again, welcome to you all, my dear students. My name is Devendra Kumar Tiwari. Today, I will teach you class 7th English Literature, chapter 18, Story Brave Dogs. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 7th इंग्लिश लिटरेचर चैप्टर 18 ब्रेव डॉग्स को पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ. एज यू नो दैट ब्रेव मीन्स बहादुर, बोल्ड डॉग्स कुत्ते. डॉग्स आर नोन टू बी लॉयल एंड करेजियस क्रिएचर्स. कुत्तों को हम एक लॉयल और करेजियस क्रिएचर, वफादार, और करेजियस मीन्स साहसिक, क्रिएचर्स मीन्स प्राणी के रूप में जानते हैं. दे हैव बीन नोन टू हैव रेस्क्यू पीपल ट्रैप्ड इन स्नो, वाटर एंड इवन फायर. They have been known to have rescued. They have been known to have. वे लोग जाने जाते हैं. टू रेस्क्यू मीन्स बचाना, पीपल मीन्स लोगों को, ट्रैप्ड इन स्नो, स्नो मीन्स बर्फ, बर्फ में अगर कोई फंस जाए. वाटर एंड इवन फायर, तो बर्फ में, पानी और फायर, इन सभी में वे अपने लोगों की क्या करते हैं, मदद करते हैं. हिस्ट्री, मैथोलॉजी एंड रियल लाइफ इंस्टेंसेस है प्रूवन दिस फैक्ट. हिस्ट्री मीन्स इतिहास है, मैथोलॉजी जो पौराणिक चीज़ भी है, एंड रियल लाइफ, और ये जो वास्तविक ज़िंदगी में घटती है उसका एक ही उदाहरण है जो इस तथ्य को प्रमाणित करता है कि डॉग इज़ अ वेरी फेथफुल एनिमल्स. बैरी वाज ए सेंट बर्नार्ड डॉग that lived from 1800 to 1814 and risked his life to save the lives of numerous people who traveled in the Alps. Barry was a संत बर्नार्ड डॉग. बैरी जो है संत बर्नार्ड का क्या है, कुत्ता है. दैट लिव्ड, जो रहा, फ्रॉम 1800 टू 1814, 1800 से 1814 तक, एंड रिस्क्ड हिज लाइफ टू सेव, और उसने अपने जीवन में रिस्क उठाया टू सेव, बचाने के लिए, द लाइफ्स मीन्स जिंदगी, ऑफ नंबरस पीपल, बहुत सारे लोगों की, हु ट्रेवल्ड, जो यात्रा करते थे, इन द आल्प्स. आल्प्स क्या होता है, इट इज ए काइंड ऑफ प्लेस. अ संत बेर्नार्ड्स डॉग सेंस ऑफ स्मेल इज सो कीन. संत बेर्नार्ड्स डॉग्स के कुत्ते की जो सूंघने की क्वालिटी थी वो बहुत ही सूक्ष्म थी. दैट इट कैन स्मेल पीपल बरीड डीप इनटू द स्नो, यानी कि बर्फ में दबे हुए किसी भी बर्फ व्यक्ति को सूंघ कर पता कर सकते हैं. वेरी लाइक अदर संत बेर्नार्ड डॉग्स वाज ट्रेन्ड बाय द मंक्स टू रेस्क्यू लॉस्ट ट्रेवलर इन द आल्प्स. वेरी लाइक अदर संत बर्नार्ड्स डॉग, अन्य दूसरे जो कुत्ते थे उनको भी क्या किया गया, वेरी लाइक अदर संत बेर्नार्ड डॉग्स वाज ट्रेंड, उसको प्रशिक्षित किया गया, बाय द मंक्स टू रेस्क्यू द ट्रेवल. मंक मीन्स मठ में जो रहने वाले होते हैं, मठाधीश, उनके द्वारा, जिससे कि ट्रेवलर्स को क्या किया जाए, बचाया जाए, जो कि स्नो में, बर्फ में क्या होते हैं, गुम हो जाते हैं, खो जाते हैं. Barry was trained to bark aloud for assistance from the monks or the other travelers. On finding a man to be rescued, he would lie on top of the person and start licking his face to wake him up. On hearing his loud continuous barks, the monk would rush with a stretcher and warm blankets to help the victim. Then they would take him to their monastery and give him hot tea, food and shelter till he recovered. Once Barry rescued a young boy who was found stranded on an ice ledge. Once, एक बार बैरी ने रेस्क्यू, बचाया, a young boy, एक यंग नवयुवक लड़के को, who was found, जो पाया गया, stranded, stranded means be left in a place from where there is no way to escaping, डेंजर, खतरनाक रास्ते पर. ऑन एन आइस लेज, icy means बर्फीली, लेज, a narrow flat piece of rock that sticks out from a cliff, all covered with thick snow under a ongoing heavy snowfall. It was impossible for anybody, it was impossible It was impossible man to climb that ice ledge, and the boy's ability to struggle on his own was almost nil. Barry fearlessly crawled inch by inch to the boy as he had been trained. Barry started licking the boy's face, but the snowfall was too heavy and the ledge too difficult to climb for any monks to reach the boy. Hence, they could not reach the spot. The boy woke up due to Barry's warm licks, and he wrapped his arms around Barry's strong neck. The Barry pulled him cautiously and bravely away from the ledge and slowly brought him to safety. Having rescued over 40 people in his lifetime, Barry was one of the bravest and strongest of rescuers and has been honored in various ways. His body has been on display at the Natural History Museum in Bain since 1815. His body, which had begun to decay, was restored in 1923. A painting of Barry hangs at the Great St. Bernard Hospice. A monument in honor of Barry is located at the entrance to the Cemetery des Champs Pet Cemetery in Paris. In 1977, Walt Disney Productions made a telemovie entitled Barry of the Great St. Bernard. Selva Kumar looked pretty much like every other dog in the village. He hardly ever barked and let the three boys of the family climb all over him and pull his tail without protest. At night he joined the rest of the family and slept among them. No matter how many times they threw him out, they usually escorted Dinakaran, Sangeeta's eldest son, to and from school, spending the rest of the day playing with the other two boys or looking for food. The morning of December 26th, 2004 began like most others with a clear sunny sky and a cool breeze. Sangeeta's husband, R. Ramakrishnan, had just returned from his early morning fishing with a boat full of fish. From their home, the view of the ocean was obstructed by a two-story community center. So when they heard a strange noise coming from the sea, Sangeeta's husband went to investigate. When Ramakrishnan saw the huge indomitable waves, he ran to the roof of the center and shouted down to Sangeeta to flee. Now Sangeeta had to make a choice. She could either help the other boy and her younger ones. She chose to carry the two younger ones because she thought Dinakaran would manage to run on his own. Once she had passed across the main road to safety, she collapsed into tears, screaming over the loss of her eldest son, as he had heard that their house had collapsed. Since Dinakaran did not follow his mother in a state of confusion and fear, he headed for the safety place. He knew the small family hut just 40 meters from the seashore. Water began to rise sharply and quickly. People rushed up the hill while the scruffy dog named Selva Kumar ducked into the hut near the coast, hoping to help Dinakaran. Dinakaran was completely stupefied, and it was his dog, Selva Kumar, who caught him by the collar of his shirt and then dragged him out, nipping and nudging. The faithful and courageous creature did everything in his power to drag the boy up the hill. It was miraculous escape for Dinakaran, but had it not been for their dog, the family would have certainly lost their son to the dreadful waves of the tsunami. Sangeeta believed that some special spirit, perhaps her brother-in-law's, resided in the dog. So, in this story, we know the faithful feelings of the many kinds of dogs for their masters. So, that is the story of this lesson. So, thank you and have a nice day.